All right, time for another adventure. Back here on the Cedar River. Gonna be doing a little bit more smallmouth pike fishing. We caught a couple further downstream now yesterday, and now we're gonna be trying a little bit further upstream. We got some really juicy rifle habitat right here. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. We got some really juicy habitat right down in here. A bunch of rapids, and it looks really good. So hopefully today will be good. All right, stay tuned. Let's load up the backpack and let's go. Okay, gonna be fishing with the this happens to be a yum dinger, but just essentially a Cinco. Green pumpkin. I'm just seeing a ton of crawfish in here, just like yesterday. Oh, there we go. There's a good bite. And I got a log. A good bite. Oh, nope. Hey. Is it a fish? Is he still on? Oh, it's still a log. I definitely went from a good bite to a log. Honest, that actually was a fish. We do know there's fish. And they're willing to eat this. Okay, line swimming off. Oh, they must be small. Okay, I just lost 3 really good bites in a row, so I'm going to switch tactics here a little bit. I'm going to go with the a regular worm hook for the yum dinger. I'm going to rig it weightless so it doesn't get into the rocks quite as bad. And I'm going to go with a 1/0 very fine wire hook, so maybe I get a little bit better penetration. I have a feeling that these fish are rather on the small side. So, yep, that's what I'm going to try. Alright, I'm going to tie this on with my favorite knot. I've seen this on a TV show a couple years back, and they didn't really have a good name for it. They call it a jig knot. I really don't know what it is. Maybe if you guys do know, you can leave a comment in the you can tell me in the comment section down below. But how I tie it is you have your line, you run it through your eye, you put 2 fingers together, you wrap it, your tag end around your line 4 times. 3, 2, 3, 4. You grab it with your middle and your index. Wet it, cinch it down tight. That seems to be a really strong knot, and it's one that I can tie quickly too, which I like the quickly part. These VMC hooks I find, even though I got them on clearance for $1, they are just razor sharp, and they're a light wire, so they penetrate really well. There we go. I have 6-pound fluorocarbon on, and admittedly that's really light for when you have pike in the water, but it's the only fluorocarbon I brought. I didn't really know what I'd be fishing for here, and I didn't have a lot of room to take extra tackle. Here we go. Yep, I think it's just a little fish messing with it. Because I got 2 or 3 bites on that, and they weren't large bites. I don't know if there's some rock bass or just really small smallmouths in here. Alright, next time to try the next hole. I'm gonna have to go through the woods here. I want to move up to that current up there, fish in that. They really don't seem to be in these deep holes. All the fish I was catching yesterday, I was catching in the current. And there's a nice little trail for me to walk down. That's kind of nice. All right, got a nice little riffle here. I don't think there'll be anything in this. It's too shallow, but I think up above it, I think it should be pretty good. There we go. There's the first one. And I have a feeling that's what's been biting me the whole time. Pretty little fish. Ow. That small hook did its job. Alright, get back in there. Go grow up. I can't say I'm doing all that well fishing here yet, but I really do love fishing on these little rivers. It makes a really interesting, it makes a really interesting time exploring a new place, getting out, just having an adventure. Even if you don't catch all that many fish, coming out and seeing a river that you've never seen before, that you get to experience in a new way, it all adds to the experience of life. Shoot. Oh, he just bit me off. That was a pike. That was a pike. Anything, that was just bit off. Okay, I just got bit off by a pike, so I'm gonna go back to the want hook. I'm gonna stay with the dinger because it seems to be working pretty well, but I'm gonna get rid of the fluorocarbon leader. I don't think it's giving me many more bites, and it's losing me a lot of fish. Alright, got the new hook on, running straight braid. Should be able to punch some faces with that now. I'm getting tired of breaking off, I'm getting tired of getting bit off. Oh hey, there's a smallmouth. That's the first one I've seen before it's seen me. There's another one with it. Oh, let's go with the green and white, just because that's the first thing that's popped out. And they're just laying there. I might be able to catch those fish. Oh, there's 3 of them. They're circling back and forth right in front of me in like a foot and a half of water. Alright, where are they at? Oh, they're looking at it. Got a bite. Wrong end though. That was cool. Alright, I think I had 2 bites in that little pocket there. I'm going to give them a second to rest, and I'll fish it on the way back through. Oh, there's just a ton of minnows here. If you guys can see them there. I'm gonna guess the bass and the pike had these things pushed right up against here. Pool. Over here we have a log jam, and then we have another riffle up in there. And I don't know how deep it is yet, because I haven't fished it, but it just looks like it could be really good. This is the first pool I thought could really be something special. Oh, that looks so good. I hit that cast perfect. Come on. Come try the other side of that tree. This pool's at least knee deep. This could definitely hold fish. Now, I don't know how deep that tree is. I'm gonna guess it's shallow since I didn't get any bites off of it. Everywhere else I've showed up on this river, if I had a suspicion that there's a fish there and it looked like it could be deep enough, it's had them. So I'm gonna guess that probably wasn't deep enough. Right in the bubble line. I love fishing those bubble lines. There we go. Oh! Did he bite me off? That was definitely a bite. I had a bite. Bite from the bubble line. He just went right towards me though. I like this pool. If I don't catch much in it. A very nice scenic little pool to fish. Juicy! So juicy! Alright. Straight up the middle. Oh, there we go. Got a bite, got a bite, got a bite. He's swimming right towards me. You got it, buddy? There we go. I got him. Oh, he's not huge, but hey, he's feisty. You're a spunky little fish. Come on over here. He's only the second one I've had today, I think. Alright. There you go, buddy. Thanks for coming to play. Yeah, I think downgrading the size of that hook really helped. I think that's how I got that one. I have a feeling that a lot of these fish are on the small side. The biggest one I've seen in here is only probably about 14 inches, and most of the bites I've been getting have been really kind of small and light. I'm not saying that a little small stream like this can't grow bigger fish, but I haven't been finding them, so if they're in here, they're not where I'm at. Because this is so small, I could see them if I'd see them spook out of here if they were here. Okay, my battery's about to go dead, so I'm gonna head back to the truck and get on the charger. I'm gonna fish my way down, and I got just a minute or two left of battery life. So if I catch anything, I'll turn it back on and show you guys. Peace.